Z-Chain high-performance traction for your high-performance vehicle. Over the past decade, Z-Chain has become the winter traction product of choice for police, fire, ambulance, and other professional fleets throughout North America. Z-Chain's fast installation, aggressive traction performance, and extreme durability simply outclasses all other options. Z-Chain meets SAE Class S clearance requirements and is available in passenger car, light truck, and SUV sizes. Consult your owner's manual for possible clearance issues. Z-Chains provide outstanding durability due to their uniform-wearing alloy traction coils. The Z design supports optimum performance of ABS, traction control, and all-wheel drive systems and ensures constant contact of both tire and chain with the road surface. Included with each pair of Z-Chains, clear illustrated step-by-step installation instructions and elbow-length gloves, all in a durable, reusable nylon bag. Installation is very easy. We recommend that you practice the installation one time in dry conditions to make sure that the chains fit properly. Practice will also make the installation in winter conditions quicker and easier. Park the vehicle on firm level ground away from the flow of traffic. Set the emergency brake. For increased safety, wear highly visible clothing if possible. If chains have contact with alloy wheels or wheel covers, marring of the wheel or wheel cover may occur. Chains should be installed on drive wheels. Lay the cable chain on the ground with the smooth side marked tire side up. Move the chain in a sweeping motion under the vehicle so the open midsection is positioned against the backside of the tire. Reach around each side of the tire and grasp both ends of the non-split side cable that is furthest away from you. Pull both ends to the top of the tire so the fasteners can be seen and manipulated more easily. Connect the inside fastener. Grasp the outside cable with both hands and pull it towards you to create as much slack as possible. Connect the top fastener, the red one, as tightly as possible by inserting the silver beads on the cable through the keyhole fastener. Repeat this process with the gold adjustment fastener. Ensure that both fasteners are adjusted within one bead of each other. Move the vehicle a few feet. Remove cable slack by retightening both adjustment points as equally as possible. To secure the free ends of the cable, slide the blue plastic spirals over them with a twisting motion. If insufficient cable is available for plastic spirals to secure, tuck the short ends up next to the crossmember anchor points. Chain tighteners or adjusters should never be used with Z-Chain. To remove the chains, drive the car off to a safe, level ground. Set the emergency brake. Unhook the outside fasteners and then the inside fasteners. The inside fastener is opposite the red outside fastener. Lay the chains on the ground and drive off of them. Examine chains for damage or worn parts. Place chains together and place back in packaging. Z-Chain, the perfect snow chain for modern high-performance vehicles.